Yeah, it's your boy Charles. Real hip hop. Let's go. Yeah, Ain't nobody get the game, that be messing with the beast, you be messing with police. You a bitch and all that, a snitch and all that. The grip will go clack and spit and go clap, your shit will go back. I spit is all crap, you know that it's all facts. You're ready to fall back, get off the ball sack. You telling on your friends and what you call out, we call it a whole rap. Hit 'em with the rhythm and the rhythm, I'm the one that gotta kill him. And you feel it with the fire while we burning up the ceiling. I did it and I shit it on top of the killers. Glocking the trigger, stopping the filler, got a block with gorillas. Stopping the killer, it don't stop when they shiver. I shock that they bitter, stop when you're better. Now it's full of cheddar, I'm good in the hood. If you dropping a letter, I'm a god in the hood. You don't wanna pass by, niggas get robbed in the hood. There's a mob in the hood, there's a cloud full of lightning and the fog in the hood. Doing what I could, they don't jog in the hood. They trying to get paid, ain't no jobs in the hood. When you sitting in a set, they ain't writing you letters. Ain't no credit or debit because they giving me headaches. Like you're sitting with the medics and they gotta go and get them. Your chicken's got a jelly and she going through your celly. You're chilling in the telly, heavy steady and ready with deadly machetes that rip through your belly. Nobody could do it the way that I do it. I'm bringing influence into it, the acid, the flames, the fire and fluid. Your life will be ruined. I am the monster, came here to conquer. Popping the rocket, you know how I launch it. Funny you laughing, making this money I bag it. Know how I'm gully, I'm blasting. Hungry and starving, stomach with acid. Gripping that desi while going through traffic. I'm a magician, I'm working my magic, bursting the ratchet. You reversing your casket, moving that snow in the plastic. Soon as it open, they sniffing fantastic. Popping the toast, shocking your ghost. Shotty is smoking, your body is broken. I'm probably provoking you clowns. So plex to the floor, you open the ground. So swim in the ocean, they're hoping you drown. King of the throne, there's gold in the crown. Ghosts in your town, while moving around to the iron plan. Put the beam to your chest like Iron Man. Let the pressure from the bullet break your diaphragm. Trying to move some weight with no diet plan. But they hate on me, trying to put the jakes on me. Trying to put the snakes on me. Superman with the flow, put the cape on me. Nah, her birthday, she put the cake on me. Tell her that I'm cruising with the renegades. Laid back and I'm calm as I'm sipping on my lemonade. Yeah, you hear that click clack, you better sit back, cause ain't no chit chat. You cats a big cap, no Mickey D's, but I'll hit you with the Big Mac. Crossfire with a flame in the zigzag. Keep the butt fresh in the zip bag. That's a little slut, I'ma hit that. 45 with a matic, better lift that. If the odds come, then you better grip that. If a breath stink, give a tic tac. Now we getting all the money and the moolah, better get that. Yeah, fuck fake love, just forget that. And I'm never gonna stress that. I'ma make a bet that they wanna get back, but I'm not with the fake crap. I'ma pray to the Lord I escape that. I'm counting my blessings, cause God is my weapon. Just give me direction. Look at my life, it's so hectic. What you expecting? There's no depression or stressing. I'm getting this chicken. I ain't forgetting all of my problems, but how can I solve it?
How can we solve it? Yeah.
Fuck cancer, rest in peace, Chadwick, Boss Man, the Black Panther. This was not God's plan. Now we living up in lost land. I'ma pray for you cause we lost souls. You're an angel in the sky now. When you look down and you just smile in the crossroads.